Rama was not only a holy man but also a great warrior. When 14,000 demons approached Rama like a tsunami in the Dandaka forest, Rama said, "Lakshmana, you sit down and take care of Sita. I am alone enough for these demons." Without dropping down the bow he had raised, Rama killed all the 14,000 demons single-handedly within a short time frame.
Rama Rama Sita Rama Eka Shyama Mangala Rama 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 Sita Rama Eka Shyama Mangala Rama 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 Sita Rama Eka Shyama Mangala Rama Shyama Mangaladhama Raghurama Rajalalama Shyama Mangaladhama Raghurama Rajalalama Rama Rama Sita Rama Shyama Mangaladhama Rama Rama Sita Rama Shyama Mangaladhama Pavana Nama Papa Virama Janaki Rama Jaya Rama Pavana Nama Papa Virama Janaki Rama Jaya Rama Kavikula Soma Ranatala Bhima Shivanuta Nama